Man, the weather could not be more perfect right now. Yeah, that gray looks so good. Hard to beat a G-Wagon duo. Coffee time. It's got to be a new record. It's like after 5 and this will be my first coffee of the day. Nice parking.
Typical woman.
Coffee secured. Drop it back in the Sport Plus and get out of here. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little G63 duo coffee run. I got Alyssa behind me in the Arabian gray wagon, and we're gonna go grab some coffee. Should be a nice little drive. Perfect duo. I was actually in this exact wagon in a video I did about a month, 2 months ago. With a SL63. My friend Colby was with me, but today we're in the wagon duo. Lots of cops out lately. And it is 5 p.m., a little late for a coffee run. We could always use more caffeine. Only downside is all this traffic, but could be worse. Cleared up too, which is nice. It's pretty overcast earlier. Marine layer finally wore off. Not sure if you can really see it in the rear view, but let me know what you guys would rather have. Alyssa's in the Arabian Gray, that, or the matte black, which we are in. And this isn't the factory Magno paint from Mercedes. This is a wrap on this car. I think I'd go with the Arabian Gray still, unless this was factory Magno, which it's not, but it's still cool. Yeah, that gray looks so good. Hard to beat a G-Wagon duo. And again, this newer generation of wagons, the difference in handling compared to the older, like pre-2019, is just night and day. Man, the weather could not be more perfect right now. Beautiful out. Alrighty, coffee time. It's got to be a new record. It's like after 5, and this will be my first coffee of the day. Nice parking.
Typical woman. How'd you know?
Coffee secured. Yeah, let me know what you guys would rather have, the matte black or the Arabian Gray. I would go with the Arabian Gray. Again, if this was the factory Magno, then I would say matte black, but you can tell when it's a wrap and not the Mercedes factory paint. Big difference. Yeah, in this case, I would definitely go with the Arabian Gray. Both sick though. It's hard to go wrong with any G-Class, just like a 911. Drop it back into Sport Plus and get out of here. Good. It's pretty cool paint on that Escalade. there's another 550. Man, that carbon just looks so good in the sunlight. There's been cops sitting here non-stop lately for people rolling through that, which I'm guilty of 99% of the time. Classic California stop. For the sake of the wind, roll those up. Again, I've still not done a full POV review and drive of a G63, which I will soon. Just been busy lately, so I haven't gotten around to it. But do have that other video, the little run we did with the SL63, another cool car. No longer in the fleet, but very cool car nonetheless. But yeah, right now that's the only other G63 video I have. I do have the older body style wagon, G550 4x4 squared, and would love to do a new 4x4 video with a G63. That AMG V8 bi-turbo though, still, in my opinion, one of the best sounding engines. Especially with the G-Wagons application of it, it's just, that rumble is crazy. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna keep it short and sweet today and conclude our video here of that nice little coffee run on the two G63, the Arabian Gray, and then our black wrapped one here. The sun's starting to go down, so lighting's not too fantastic. But yeah, again, just want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for when I post. And always, we'll see you in the next video.